Hannah Kegley from King Law Offices. I'm an attorney here in Rutherford, North Carolina, and I want to speak to you for a moment on child support establishment and a common worry of some of our clients. First, understand that the goal and purpose of child support is to put a child in the same position that the child would be in had the child's parents remained living in the same home. The court does not want to punish a child for the decision of its parents to live separate and apart. And North Carolina has decided that both parents owe financial responsibility to the support of their children. Because of this, the court considers the income of both parties in calculating the child support obligation, as well as the needs of the child that are reasonable. A common concern that I hear among clients is that their ex is unemployed, underemployed, or is not being truthful in the information that it's providing to the child support worker or to the court in determining the child support obligation. And this can be to either reduce the amount of child support that they would pay or to increase the child support amount that they would be receiving from the other party. Some red flags that this is possibly happening in your case may include a sudden change by your ex from full-time employment to part-time employment, a change from working at a company to becoming self-employed, a recent disability filing, or a decision that they are going to be a stay-at-home parent of a child over the age of 3 and have prior to that been working. These are just some things to consider and may indicate that suppression of income is happening on bad faith. So you will immediately want to speak to an attorney about discovery tactics that can be used to elicit this information from your ex that's previously been hostile to providing it to you voluntarily. This may include subpoenas to get employment records, reasons for termination, whether overtime has been reduced and whether that's voluntary or involuntary. Other things you'll want to consider and speak with your attorney is whether a deviation from the guidelines is appropriate in your case, even if suppression is not in bad faith. You may want to discuss whether income can be imputed to the other party so that your child support determination is not changed that much by underemployment or unemployment. And lastly, you definitely want to arm your attorney with as much evidence as you can that any unemployment, underemployment, suppression of income, or not being honest is done in bad faith so that your attorney can represent you adequately and fight for a fair child support obligation for the children. Evidence like that might be text messages from your ex that say, hey, I'm not going to work anymore because I don't want to pay you child support, followed by expletives, of course. So here at King Law, we represent people on both sides of the table, whether it's for establishment of support or to make sure that the amount that you're going to be paying in support is fair and reasonable under North Carolina law and the current guidelines. I hope you will consider these points if you have a child support matter in your future and that you will consider King Law for your legal needs. Thank you.